Hey there, I am Rajvi Shah and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you a story, my story. So this one day I had a huge fight with my father. I ended up screaming on him. Well, I've never done that before. So after the entire crying and screaming, he told me that I could go to him and talk with him whatever it is. After 2 days, I composed myself and poured my heart out to my father. The one question that I asked him was, जो लड़का मुझे पसंद आता है वो कभी मुझे पसंद क्यों नहीं करता? So he counter questioned me and that one question changed my entire being. He asked, whenever you look into the mirror, do you try to love yourself? और इस एक सवाल ने मुझे पूरा हिला कर रख दिया. Because it was true. Whenever I looked into the mirror, I tried to love my own self. Guys, this is just one story, just one instance. There are so many of us out there who face so many challenges. We have so many issues going on. Every one of us are fighting. We have our own demons, So my biggest demon was lack of self-love. And how I overcame it? There are 3 points. The first point is, make a list of things that you cannot accept about your own self. It can be anything. It can be how you compare your own self with other people or how you behave with someone. Just anything. One suggestion that I would give is to take minimum 2 days to introspect. अपने खुद के साथ बैठो और पूरी अवेयरनेस के साथ एक लिस्ट बनाओ. Why do we do this? We do this so that whenever next time you climb the train of negative thought process, you will remember this list. My dear friends, only with full awareness you can break this negative thought process. This way you can stay away from negativity, from self-doubt, from fears, from all your anxiety about future and all other things that stop you from your growth. The second point is, engage in creativity. The best way to love yourself is to do things that you love. You need to engage yourself in the things that make you feel loved. In my case, it is writing. Writing makes me feel good about my own self. Whenever I write something, I feel proud of my own creation. So you need to engage yourself in the things that make you feel loved. You may have noticed, and if you haven't till now, then abhi notice kar lena. Whenever you feel low, you stay away from the things that you love. When I was going through this phase, I stopped writing. My mind had stopped working. The only thing that I wanted to do was sulk the entire time. But that is the very time when you need to fasten your seatbelts and start working. Start doing the things that make you feel loved. The things that you love, that you enjoy doing. The things that give a meaning to your life. The last and the most important step is to meditate. My dear friends, meditation is something that can solve maximum of your problems. One suggestion that I have is that whenever you are meditating, you need to remind yourself that you are the ultimate product of that ultimate divine energy. That whatever is happening in your life is the best for you. And the phase that you're passing through right now shall pass too. The biggest advantage of meditating is that you cut off from the negativity and put that energy into positive things, in the things that make you grow, in the things that help you to change your mindset towards your own self. So, my dear friends, I am sure when you start paying attention to these 3 points, there will be a very big change in your life. Try this out and thank me later. If you like my video, do not forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends so that it helps them too, and subscribe to my channel and comment your views. Thank you and have a nice day.